Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RohitTech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to clean install macOS Monterey in VMware. Now I am going to create new virtual machine for Monterey. I have already opened our VMware 16 software. Click on File. Click New Virtual Machine. Click Next. Select I will install operating system later. Click Next. Choose Apple Mac, under Guest Operating System. Select macOS version. In this VMware 16 version have Mac support macOS 11.1, so I will choose this version. Click Next. To change virtual machine location. If you don't want to change location, simply click Next. In my case I have changed my VM location, click Browse. I will store my virtual machine in D drive by creating a new folder inside the VM folder. Our folder name Monterey. Click OK. Click Next. I have set 120 GB hard disk in this virtual machine. Select virtual disk as a single file. Click Next. Click Customize Hardware. I have set 6 GB RAM of this machine. Click on Processors. I have set 2 number of processor, number of core per processor, select 2. Click on New CD DVD. Click Use ISO image file. Click Browse. I have already downloaded the ISO file of macOS Monterey, which I am giving the path now. Click Close. Click on Finish. Now our virtual machine is created for macOS Monterey. Before installing macOS Monterey, we have to do some changes in our virtual machine. Let's close VMware. Open this PC. Go to Virtual Machine location. Right-click on VMware Virtual Machine Configuration. Select Open with Notepad. Let's drag down to end of page. Type smc.version equals 0. Save the configuration file. After saving this file, close all console. Open VMware software. Select macOS 11.1. Click Power on this virtual machine. Choose language, English. Click Next. Click Disk Utility. Click on Continue. Select VMware Virtual SATA Hard Drive Media. Click on Erase. Type the name of disk. Empty. Select File Format. macOS Extended Journaled. Click on Erase. Click Done. Click Disk Utility. Click Quit Disk Utility. Click on Install macOS 12. Click on Continue. Click Continue again. Click Agree to the terms and conditions. Click Agree. Select disk. Click on Continue. It will take some time to install. Select your country or region. In my case I have select India. Click on Continue. Written and spoken language. Click on Continue. Accessibility, click Not Now. How do you connect? Select Local Network. Click on Continue. Your Internet connection page, TCP/IP connection type, select using DHCP. Click on Continue. Click Continue again. Data and Privacy page. Click on Continue. Migration Assistant. Click Not Now. Click Agree to the terms and conditions. Click Agree. Create a computer account. Type full name, example Rohit. Click on Account Name. Type password. Type password again to verify. Type password hint, it is optional. Click on Continue. Click on Continue. Screen time page. Click Setup later. If you want Siri then simply click on Continue, but in my case I do not want Siri, then untick the Siri option. Click on Continue. Choose your look. I will use default look, light. Click on Continue. So here the first look of macOS Monterey. It's pretty cool look. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to perform clean install macOS Monterey in VMware. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.